So I guess I pulled another, I don't know, I guess it's all one overlook. Just ran over. This place is gorgeous. Wonder if I can make that jump while holding a camera. I better not risk it holding the camera.
So here I am trying to convince myself to just jump to the next rock. And I'm like, okay, now I'm going to make the jump because I'm not going to break my mom's camera. Don't be a chicken, Nathan. Just do it. It's right. The car is right over there. Just don't be a chicken. Just go ahead and jump. Just jump, Nathan. It's fine. Come on, Nathan. Everybody's doing it. By everybody, that means nobody. Here we go. Boom. Pause. That's the top of trees. I almost fell off the other side. It was very stupid on my part. That would have been a very horrible ending to the start of a really awesome road trip.
Oh, that was stupid.
Had I fallen off the other side of that ledge into those trees that, however far they were down, I couldn't tell because those were the tops of trees. So I couldn't see the ground beneath it to see how far down that was. Dumb.
Okay, so I did that jump. Didn't hurt my toe too bad, but fucking ripped my shoe open. So that kind of sucks. Oh well.
If that's not an ad campaign to buy Chinese, I don't know what is. So here's the top of my dumb head and a really beautiful vista. I mean, the pull-offs on this drive were amazing. And here's my fat face from my phone. I didn't have a connection, so it was like, here, we'll just play this drive video real fast. I didn't have a connection, so I kept taking these pictures because I wanted to the geolocation from my phone. But none of them ever really posted properly until I got down back off the parkway. Pine tree overlook. Thankfully that one's labeled. This one was awesome. It's amazing to me that's only 2,490 feet up. Obviously these mountains hold nothing to the mountains in the west. Hey, my foot swelling.
My right foot is swollen now, so I can't wear my shoes from that jump I did earlier. Whoa, this is making me nauseous.
Oh, that's making me nauseous. Oh, Nathan. Don't do that. Oh, you look back. You're an asshole. Why did you do that?
Wow.
Why don't you get out of here? Let's go. I don't want to be here anymore.
Okay, the heights thing is freaking me out a little bit here.
Don't fall. Okay. Let's go. This way. There you go. But the picture I ended up taking was pretty awesome. Just for a little handheld camera, that was a really nice shot.
So I'm driving to see if this place, Natural Bridge, is the place that I keep seeing on the postcards. And I came across this. I think this is one of the attractions I was trying to see in Glasgow, something.
My fat head in the town that time forgot. They got these dinosaurs sitting around. Probably be a cool pull-off for kids. Glasgow, Virginia. But I never did end up finding the Natural Bridge, which is what I was actually looking for. There's my foot nice and swollen, turning black from my flip-flops being on there really tight. Another beautiful vista. Okay, and this is Rocky Knob State Park in Virginia, and this is actually my camping spot. And there I am, sitting on a log. Like, I had this idea to take pictures of every camping spot I had, so I'd show all the different climates that I went through, but totally didn't do that. I forgot that shit real quick.
So this is by where I'm camping, Rocky Knob Campgrounds. I'm going to sit out here since it's the 4th of July and hope that because I'm on the top of a ridge, I can see some fireworks somewhere out there, or out on this side since I seem to be on a crest on both sides. Nothing else, I can watch the sunset. I'm limping a little bit from my stupid ass move with the rock thing. There's a hiking trail over here that if I could walk I would be on, but considering my foot hurts like a motherfucker. So I don't really see any towns on either side. I was looking. There's just random houses out there, but I don't know. It's July 4th and this is what I got. So I'm gonna roll with it. And is Serenity dirty or what? We give her a bath when we get to Gatlinburg and get her oil changed.
Over there's a deer in the trees, and I was trying to get it, but you can't really even see anything on this. It's like a brown box. And then I turned around and there was another deer in the trees, but this one decided to lay down while I was watching it, so I'm trying to sneak up on it here. But because the camera is not very good, all you're going to see is like a couple of brown boxes against a couple of other slightly different shaded brown boxes. I am surprised it didn't get up and run. I got pretty close to it here. So I'm going to try to put an arrow to it. I know it's kind of moving around, but there's this brown box there. Fucking deer just looking at me like, what? This was where I took up my spot to watch fireworks. It was pretty cool, that ridge, because like on both sides of the ridge you could see every fireworks display in like a 30-mile radius or something ridiculous. So it's like, and this is where a bunch of the locals came up. So it's like I was sitting there, and then all these people started showing up, and apparently this is where all the locals go to watch all the fireworks. So it was kind of cool. End up talking to a bunch of folks, and we're gonna end with a sunset. Boom.